Hi guys, my name is Suresh. Now we are going to discuss three simple questions. These are the mostly frequently asked interview questions as well as in real time. These three scenarios in daily usage where mostly we will use these scenarios. So first one, how to partition the given data based on country and then status. Second one, how to find in each country what is the success factor, then how many success, how many failed factors. Third one, how to get the top 10 status in a IPS. So I have a one file. This is a my log file, so that means that is a input file. So in real time, like I said, like this we have a one log file available. For example, this is a my input file. So here I need to partition this data, and then second question, I need to find each country. So country means how we can find. So here, so each country, how many success, how many fail. Okay, this is the country, so this is a success or error factor. And then third one, we need to find what is the maximum top 10 IPs. Okay, top 10 IP status. So we're going to see these three things as part of this video. So now I'm going to, okay, my Hadoop started now. So to check this one, GPS is a command to verify. So all services are running. Name node, name manager, secondary name node, data node, and then resource manager. Now I am going to connect. So Hive. So to connect Hive, simply you have to type in console Hive, then it will be connect Hive. So I have an input file and I need to prepare one partition query. So everything before recording this video, I have prepared the queries. Why means while recording the video, if I type, it will take a lot of time. That's why before only I have prepared everything. If you see below, so I have prepared queries. Simply if you execute this one, I will get the output. So one by one we'll go. So how to partition the given data based on the country and then status. Okay, this is my input. Sorry, I'm opening this one. It's loading. So once we get the data, so first to load the data, what we have to do, we have to create the first thing. First we have to create the one database. So once we connected the database, then we'll go for creation. So this is my data. Okay, so first we have to create. Okay, I have typed Hive here. So Hive connected. So to create the database, what you have to do, you have to create. So this is a command, create database name. So if you give if not exist means if already exist, no need to create. If it's not exist, you have to create database name. What is the name I gave there? Suresh Hive. Okay, Okay, I have created database. To check that one, you have to type show databases. So here Suresh Hive, it's a created. Okay, to use that one, you have to use command use Suresh Hive. Okay, so now I am in Suresh Hive database. To check tables, is there any tables in Suresh Hive table? So that is a command show tables. So there is no tables in my database. Okay, I have data. This is my data. So this data, according to this data, I have to prepare one table. Okay, so one, this is the one field, and this is a up to this is a one field, this is a second field, this is a third, and then fourth. How I said that is a one field, second field, based on the delimiter. Our delimiter here is concatenate symbol. Okay, so we have to create the table. Create table if not exist. If you already there, then no need to create. If it's not there, this need to create. So my table name is event log. I'm giving, so first this is a string, this is also string, everything I will declare as a string. dt is a variable, string is a data type, ip string, country string, status string. Totally I have a 4 fields, so that's why I declare here as a 4 variables. Okay, and then row format delimited field terminated by concatenate symbol, so that is a field separator. Line by terminated by new line. Okay, how it will find, that is a second field, second line means new line. So if you executed this query, okay, so if you paste here that query, okay, I have executed that. So that query successfully completed. So how you know successfully completed or not means, it will be written okay and then time taken 5.126 seconds. So if you executed same command show tables, then here it's shown event log table successfully created. Here it's a one record fetch, only one table available, that's why it's written 1. Okay, now I have successfully created table. Okay, so I want to dump data, so I want to load data inside the table. So my file, this is my file, I want to load this data in my table. How to load means, load data local input path and the path of the file, that file where you have in your system local, override into the event log. If already data available inside event log also, you have to override. If you remove override, if already data of the names, it won't copy. So here my home, and then work, and then here something Suresh Hadoop, some folder available here. We have see Suresh Hadoop. So if you see Suresh Hadoop server logs event log, so check it same here Suresh and then server logs and then event log. This is my input file. Okay, so there I have a file, so that is load, that is for servers event log, override into event table. I am loading the data into the table, loading data into table. So this is a, what is that? Suresh Hive, that is a database, dot event log, that is a table. Successfully completed. It's take 13 seconds. Now so to see the data, is it available data successfully or not? So how to verify? We have to one command called select star from event log, limit 10. Well, why means 10? We have a lot of records, not only single data. Nearly how many lines available here? Most of the lines available. Select count star from event log. I am checking. So it's running that query. So background, it will run map-ready job for that. So a lot of core is available. It's not a single. Even if you go for real time also, log file, it's not a 1 KB, 2 KB, or 1 line, 2 lines. It's thousands of lakhs of lines also available. For that file, you have to process. So that is the main theme here. So it will take few minutes. Parallelly, I will explain here. So here I am mentioning select star from event log, limit 10. That means only 10 records it's written that query. Okay. Okay, map ready job running. This is a job. So sorry. Okay, so once that is complete, we'll discuss parallelly. So we'll check, and then now for that partition purpose, first we created as a database, and then we have created table, and then we have dump data in that table. So these 3 steps successfully completed. Now we have to create one partition table on event log table. So how to do that one, we'll see once this completed. So here's check. So Hadoop job information, stage 1, number of mappers, how many number of reducers, how many. We didn't mention anything, so default it will take 1 mapper and 1 reducer. Okay, so mapper time 0%, reducer time 0%. Once completed 100% mapper, then reducer will be stopped. Okay, wait few more seconds, then it will complete. This is a large amount of data, right? So it will take few minutes. Okay, parallel I will explain that partition query. Okay, so we have to create one partition table for that. So how to create partition table? So create table if not exist. So that table name country status partition, country underscore status underscore partition. Okay, so here, so our requirement is country and then status. That's why I only take it 2 variables, dt, that is a country, ip, that is a string. Okay, so partition by, okay, country. So second, for on which table we are going to partition, like event log, right? So that in there, what is that one? Country and then status. And the 2 columns only we are going to create one partition table. And row party format delimited by concatenate symbol tab. Okay, so here we'll mention that one is a tab delimited, how wish, whatever. So this is a new table, right? So tab. Okay, line eliminated by -n, that means new line. Okay, stored as text file. Okay, stored as text file. So whatever your wish, stored as array file, stored as sequence file, whatever you want, you can able to put. See, mapper is a 100% completed, then reducer is successful. Same. Okay, reducer also 100% completed, then it's written output totally 141193. Okay, see here, what is the count? So 141193, is it correct? Okay, those many records available, that's why it's take that much time. Okay, now we have to do here partition table. So I'm going to create one partition table. Okay, show tables. Okay, country status partition, event log. So I have created one more partition table, right? So I have to dump data in partition table. So how to dump that one? So before dump, we are going to set 3 properties. First one is a dynamic property is a true, and then that mode is a non-strict mode, and then per node work 1000 only I am mentioning. If you want to mix, you can able to give 10,000 like this also. Restricted mode or non-restricted mode, whatever you want, according to your condition you have to give it. Okay, so I gave that one. So once that, so I am going to insert data inside the partition table. So you can able to write same load data like this, or else some select query, different ways we can able to write. If you know SQL, you can easily understand. From event log, so that means from which table we are going to taking from data. Event log table, insert, override. So if you already data, that need to override. Table name, country underscore status underscore partition country status select star order by dt. Okay, so the data will be insert. I am going to insert the data here. Okay, so it will be everything, whatever query you perform in your Hive, it will be defaultly converted into map-ready job, and then it will be run background map-ready job. Okay, it will take few more seconds. We'll wait. Okay, mapper 100% completed. Let it restart it now. Reducer 70% completed. Reducer okay, reduce is 73% completed. Okay, 100% completed. So the data will be inserted. We're going to insert the table. So if you want to see partitions, so this is the command, show partitions. So it's a lot of data, right? That's why it will take a few more seconds. Sorry. Okay, yeah, done. Loading data. Few more seconds. If you take small file, it won't take that much time, but so real time this many data available, right? That's why I'll take it up. So see, data is loading. Okay, so everything real time also we have to do same things. So our requirement, sometimes if they are getting some issue inside what, so they will ask, so they want what is the maximum IPs, or else so what this they will go that scenario. Okay, we want to see here show partition. So if you see that, it will be return data. What is that they are asking, right? They ask country wise and then status wise they need to partition. Okay, they partition, right? So country is a something where status is a, like country is this one and then status. So we mention tab, right? Delimiter, so that is a will give you the tab, that one. Okay, so this is a first query. Okay, so if you do this one also, it will return data, but what happens when you run this one? See, entire data it will be loading. Select star from country, status, partition. So I have loaded data, everything loaded data with the tab column. If you want to see only that column, means that data, means we'll go for, okay, I stopped that one. If you want to only that data, means we'll go for here. I'll come out, sorry, Hive so partition, the partition query. So it will be written only country and then status. Okay, this is the first code. How to get how to partition some particular table and only few things like country wise or status state wise. So this is the example for that. Okay, okay, that is the first query. Okay, second query. So in each country, what is the average success factor and average error factor? So second example we have to see. So this is a second factory, and then third factory, how to get the top 10 status in success factory. So same thing. So on top of that partition we will use, and we will split the data with the simple SQL queries. Main thing here is only partition the partition in the table only. It's a difficult team here. Okay, once if you have done that one, remaining two things, it's very easy. Okay, so next video we will continue the second query and then third query. Okay, thank you.